Moisturizing Scalp Care. 2chic Ultra Revive Intensive Hair Mask is powered by our dual moisture mix of pineapple and ginger to help replenish dull, extremely damaged hair. This tropically blended, hydrating hair mask restores hair's natural elasticity. Deep hydration. GIOVANNI 2chic Ultra Revive Intensive Hair Mask hydrates each strand to prevent split ends and reinforces hair fibers to promote thicker, fuller hair. Color safe. GIOVANNI 2chic Ultra Revive Pineapple Ginger Hair Mask is 100% color safe and nourishes hair with a proprietary blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and omega fatty acids without stripping color. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Lauryl laureth sulfate-free. GIOVANNI products do not contain harsh chemicals commonly used in regular beauty products, leaving you with strong, beautiful hair. 2chic Ultra Revive Intensive Hair Mask. Moisturize and deeply hydrate your tresses with our exclusive dual nutrient complex, a tropical balance of pineapple juice and the natural moisturizing powers of ginger for locks left soft, manageable and revived. Use weekly so you don't let split ends and frizz take over. Improve and protect hair's elasticity with this rare mixture of deliciousness, leaving hair so healthy, it radiates in beauty. Fruit nutrients wrap each strand to protect from future breakage. Reinforces hair fibers, promoting thicker, fuller hair. Restores hair's natural elasticity. Hydrates each strand to prevent split ends. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. I really love this product. I will say that I have to wash it out with another product or my hair will be greasy though. What I do is put it on and let it sit, rinse it out, then put another less intense conditioner on afterwards and scrub with it. That way it removes any greasiness but doesn't defeat the purpose of the product like shampooing after might. Really works great on my hair and I use it on days I want my hair to look its best.